baphethe kunjani cameraman team mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one and angihambi ngiyi-1 phezu kwabo baba.
Wala bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here, we come again with another episode of Football Fusion.
So bafethu, in this video we're going to be looking at game Orlando Pirates is playing up against Polokwane, or Polokwane is playing up against Orlando Pirates, because Orlando Pirates is playing away. Yeah. Injalo mfethu. Ngiyazi ukuthi imundi yakithe namhlanje. Last time bengithi ku awumnandanga. Hey, mnandi ke namhlanje. Uyohleka silence.
Bale basiphe lezi slogans zokuthumana uphuthu. Siyathumana uphuthu.
Awuthume mina. Ngilokile bafethu. Lokile bafethu ongitholile. Bengafuni ukurecord. Bengisane inkinga nami. But because kumele ngenzele mina, I'm here, you know. So my brother, sibuya kule game lena ke. Yokuthi umthuma uphuthu. I don't know if you want to touch on it before we actually move on. What can you make of the game?
Yeah, there are a lot of positives in this game.
Yeah.
I will focus on Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
I think first it's the analysis that we did, where we touched on important players. I think all the players that we counted in that game, okay, except for Tanzania, actually came in and made a difference. Mahopa came in and scored. Bata controlled the midfield for all the minutes that he was on the ground, and it was nice to see the Pirates controlling the game the way they controlled the game. I'm looking forward to play Polokwane. We can't be carried away.
Okay. I know, but honestly, congratulations for punishing me. You capitalize, you punish me. That's how you play as a big team. When you get these chances, you capitalize, you win. So now going to Polokwane, looking at the log Waiona again. Obvious, it's debatable, it's fun, it's interesting to watch it. 41 points in Mamelodi Sundowns. And then with the pressure they're putting regardless of what you're Polokwane, some will say it's a small team, but the pressure it comes with that is just too much.
Yeah, that's true. I think what we are praying for is the fact that our teams, I think Pirates was able to do this thing before. You remember that we played at Moses Mapita when we were playing against Amazon. We led the game early. You know, we were just looking for the second goal, and unfortunately it came towards the end of the game. That's what we are looking for, because we don't want to stress about, when the game drags, first half 0-0, second half, or they score early, and then we have to come back. You just have to win these games quicker, I would say. Just make a statement to say that, we mean business. We are fighting for bigger things here, I would say. Because if I'm Sundowns, I'll tell you one thing. Hey, it's not a sleeping giant.
Hey.
we are fighting. I won't lie to you. We are fighting, and we have to also match their energy to show that we want this thing. We haven't done it in a while, but we need to do it this time around. So even the players, the energy, they have to show. Without getting into tactics, I'm talking about the body language to show that we want this thing. Because you don't want a game 670 something, and everyone now is rushing. 70 something.
Now you're trying to score go 70 minutes.
85. Yes, those things do happen, but they are frustrating, and they are draining a lot.
And
of
the small
energy.
teams at that time, they say want a draw now.
And the games that we lost, I remember we lost against Maromo. It was the same thing. We dragged the game. I think we were winning 1-0. And we dragged the game. We were playing like
and then they scored.
They covered. We were pressing
to get
the second goal. They punished us. The game was lost. Just like that. So we don't want those things. That's one thing that maybe I believe the coach has to emphasize on.
So when I come to this game of Polokwane, you see Polokwane Are there changes you would want to make coming from a Soweto derby, or you wouldn't want to make any change?
I would say I do wanna make changes here and there. Mainly because I still want to see a striker there. I take nothing away from Umbutuma. Yes, I think the fact that he plays a lot, even when he makes those mistakes, it shows Uguti somewhere somehow will get it right. But
He's coached.
Asna as cat right now, you know. For that reason, I would say that he needs to sit on the bench for this game. Let's Mahopa start this game. We're playing in Polokwane. It's in his hometown, so let him start this game.
So
Yeah,
that's the first change you want to see.
That's the change that I want to see.
Uh-huh.
Also, I do want to see Chabatan. I think he's also from Limpopo. I'm not sure, but he might be from Limpopo. I do want to see Usbisi assisting a coach with maybe taking a man.
But he had a good game.
Yeah, he had a good game, but he wasn't tested. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
You would say that he had a good game because he didn't get that much pressure. I think he also had a good game. Remember, I think we spoke about this game when we were playing against Amazon. He had a good game, but you could tell with Amazon if they pressing. Yeah,
he's finding it hard to maintain
their
pressure.
So it's a problem a little bit. But it's not really a problem. It's just to get new energy, changes that we think can be giving that stability on our side. Because Mahopa links well with these attackers, these creative players, Borele, Bo Apolis, even Morem, you know. So we want that combination to win this game, honestly.
So before Sival, to touch again the way Sundown, you and Sundown, the fact with it, so will look obviously interesting. What can you make Leo part Leo? Tina Siko, siyabuga phela, siyabuga.
Yeah, no, it's interesting. I wouldn't lie to you. What a way. Whoever wins it, may the best one wins it, you know, because we also trust ourselves that much. Confidence. Just now. Hey. Yeah, sometimes it's giving it a go. Yeah, it's giving us a go. Gambela, it's hard. I think it's a Gambela man. But I do hope they will get draws here and there. Because I think the opponents that they're playing right now.
Where are they playing?
I also don't trust you in at this moment with your
with my two interns. Yeah.
That's my intern, boys, coach.
Well, let's close this one. Are you comfortable to make my predictions? Polokwane up against you?
Yeah, I'm comfortable. I would say that we will replicate the score with 3-0. Right? Last time I had predicted we will win with Chiefs for 2-0. Okay, it happened that Papa fell like 3. Yeah, he knows that. But I'm coming back with the 3 again.
Okay, but there you had it. So we're to now comment down below. How do you see Orlando Pirates doing up against Polokwane City? What again, Pagachu Chelkul solution? Let's meet again on another one.